Today we are working with two different exponential growth problems. We're going to be using the same formula with both. Y equals C, parentheses 1 plus R, close parentheses, to the power of T. Y is our total ending balance. C is our initial, our principal deposit. R is our rate, and T is our time. In number 14, a principal of $200 is deposited in an account that pays 4.2% interest, compounded yearly. Find the balance after 5 years. So first, we don't know our total balance yet. That's what we're looking for. We have a principal amount deposited of $200. Our rate is 4.2%, and we need to convert that to a decimal. And our time is 5 years. We're now going to plug those in. So we have y equals 200, 1 plus 0.042 to the power of 5. And we're going to add what is in our parentheses. Then we're going to place it in our calculator as 200, parentheses, 1.042, close parentheses, to the power of 5. And we get $245 and round to 67 cents. Our total amount after 5 years. Now, in number 15, we're using the same formula for exponential growth. Y equals C times parentheses 1 plus R to the power of T. I'm going to find our variables. Our problem says, how much must you deposit in an account that pays 3.5% interest compounded yearly to have a balance of $400 after 6 years? This time, they tell us the total balance, which is Y, $400. They say it pays 3.5% interest, so it's 0.035. It tells us the time is 6 years, and they want to know how much is initially deposited. So we will be finding C. So we are going to plug in our numbers. 400 equals C, parentheses, 1 plus 0.035 to the power of 6. We're going to add what is in our parentheses. Then in our calculator, we are going to put in 1.035 to the power of 6. And we get 1.23. Now we want to start finding C, so we need to get by itself. So we're going to divide each side by 1.23. And you get $325.20 is our initial deposit. Both of these problems are exponential growth problems. In 14, you were given the principal amount, C, and needed to find the Y, the total balance. In 15, you needed to find the initial amount, the principal that was deposited, and you were given the total balance of Y.